Welcome to the NetApp stand here at Cisco Live 2014. I'm very pleased to have Gareth Shepherd from Computacenter with us today, one of our premium FlexPod partners, and on the stand with us today, talking to some of our customers. Gareth, just wondering, so what are the benefits of having FlexPod within your portfolio when you take a service to market?
Yeah, so benefits we get mostly are around the efficiencies we get in the design and the construction. So, obviously we were already big partners, NetApp and Cisco, prior to FlexPods being launched, and we had a lot of the skills. But what we've done is sort of cross-train some of our consultants and engineers so they can deliver both aspects. And using the FlexPod validated designs, what we've done is created template designs, standard installation procedures and tasks, scripts, so that we can do it very efficiently. So we're very honed now on delivering the FlexPods into our customers. So.
That's brilliant. So you're experts in that. What do you think your customers get from the benefit of having a FlexPod solution?
Yeah, so the benefits to the customer, clearly we get a solution to them a lot quicker. Given that we've developed all the templates and the processes, it's also done to the same standard every time, very high quality, and we can do it more cheaply as well because it takes us less time using that repeated collateral.
Right, so simpler and more efficient. And how does that affect the customer's speed to market then?
Yeah, absolutely. What the customer really wants is to get their application working, be that VDI or private cloud or maybe SAP or even database. So FlexPod's great for all of those use cases, but what we can do is get the infrastructure up there running ASAP, and then get the guys that run the stuff on top there working as quickly as possible. So the application's working really quickly.
Oh, that's brilliant. So driving the business value for the customer clearly. So in terms of what you're seeing in the market, any trends popping out? Obviously, converged architecture is a bit of a topic of the day. How does that work with your cloud strategy, etc.?
Yeah, well, the big trends that we're really seeing, there's a lot in our public sector customers where they're using FlexPods, a lot with Microsoft technology as well, and actually sharing. So using the multi-tenancy features. Public sector in the UK specifically likes to share infrastructure and cut the costs. So we've done a lot of that sort of dual data center loads for our customers. Microsoft Private Cloud, I just mentioned that on its own in some other customers is saving a lot of people a lot of money. So we're seeing a lot of take up on that private cloud.
Yeah, things have really changed in the last few years. So when you're out there talking to customers, you're obviously approaching a lot of the CIOs. How do you think that they see the world today, say as compared to maybe 5 years ago?
Yeah, so I think they want to look at infrastructure as more of a commodity, across the range, and not be delving into the detail on all those components. And with a trusted brand like FlexPod, we know that we've got a solution that's proven, it's vendor backed, and the CIO can spend more time looking at the value of the application or whatever they're going to get out of it, and like I say, cut the costs for deploy, but also manage using the FlexPod solution.
Yeah, so their resource costs are down. Obviously, their speed to market's quicker. It's obviously an obvious benefit of it. Hey, look, thanks for coming along today. It's been great to see you again, and I wish you the best for the rest of the show, and in fact, the best for the rest of the year in terms of sales and meeting your customers' expectations. Thanks, Gareth.
Great. Thanks, Hamish. Thanks for inviting us.